What is this? Security? Bank security?
Police officer.
Is it a police officer?
Yeah, Stockton Police Patch.
How you doing?
Looks
Good?
good. How you doing?
Have a good day.
You too, man.
Okay, take care. How you guys doing? Pretty good, you?
Oh yeah. You seem pretty cool. Don't give me no attitude or nothing. God damn. So we're here at the Stockton Police Station. It says, oh shit, this fucking sidewalk is soft as hell. Woo! Shit. So we're at the Stockton Police facility. Not just the station, but they're not bullshitting. Look at this. Massive. Yeah, right? Huh? Yep. Stockton Police Department. Check out this facility, folks. It's large. Look at those police cars. They look like taxi cabs. Those are not even scary looking. Black and whites though, those are scary. These right here, like, the taxi cab's pulling me over. How's it going? Can I get a complaint form?
No. I'm just a volunteer.
Oh, where?
I don't know who you look at.
Can the volunteer give me information? Can I get information from the volunteer?
I'm just. What is this all about?
I need a complaint form.
Huh?
I need a complaint form.
A what?
Complaint form.
Complaint form?
Yeah.
You need a complaint form?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hold on.
All right.
I'm only a volunteer, sir.
Alrighty.
Don't take me pictures.
Volunteer to help generate revenue. He's a volunteer to help generate revenue. Thank you. How you doing today, nice lady?
Good, how are you?
I'm not too bad.
Complaint form right here. Is that
All
what
right.
you wanted?
Yeah, that's it. Simple. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Hey, nice smile. Thank you. See, that's what I call professional service at this police business facility, where you get charged for things.
So you don't have any kind of complaint form or the paperwork?
I don't have complaint forms. You can check with information.
I've got one.
You guys one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we don't have them on this side.
This is traffic station. This is where we get to pay. Oh, look at it. Impound release fee of $199. Where we pay fees and stuff for traffic tickets.
Where you can pay on or inquire about traffic tickets or
Right.
releases of vehicles.
Right, because this police station, it's a business, huh?
It's a police station, sir.
It's a business. And a police station, it's a business. Thank you, though.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. It's a business because they generate revenue. Am I wrong? Facilities. Where we see a blue line flag. Let's get fallen officers. Let's go get this officer over here. He hasn't seen us yet. Whoa. He's seen us. That was funny, huh? He didn't seem too happy. He didn't wave either. Wave the peace sign up for him. He didn't want to look. Peace.
Here we go.
Oh, hell yeah, that's what's up. Thank you. I guess citizens got to be nicer to each other than the police can. Over here we got Mr. California Guardian with this gangster stroll. That's gonna be the Jewish gangster. Fallen officers.